Welcome to SHEV Dental Academy. I am Dr. Neeraj Wadhawan. I am in company of Dr. Sabhya Sharma, and huge congratulations, Sabhya.
Thank you, sir.
Ranked 22 in the first attempt itself. First of all, just introduce yourself, from which college you are.
Hi everyone, my name is Sabhya Sharma. I am from Maulana Azad Institute of Dental Sciences, New Delhi, and batch 2020. And I started my internship on 9th of December 2024, and I'll be completing my internship on the 9th of December 2025.
So, Sabhya, what went into your favor in this exam? Do you think the exam pattern was favorable, or आपकी teaching इतनी अच्छी है मेड्स में कि you are so well prepared, all of you are such good candidates when you go to the exam?
So, sir, there are multiple things which went into the preparation. So, first of all, I started preparing for my exam from the beginning of internship only, and then so from first year onwards, I was studying the standard books only. Nothing of any sort of shortcuts I used to do in those 4 years, and in final year also I studied like because those 8 subjects make up most of the portion of the entrance exam as well. So
Sabhya, you just mentioned standard books. आजकल लोग जैसे गोम्स, आरती राव, निखिल मारवान को standard book मानते हैं. What do you mean by standard book? थोड़े नाम बता दो.
Sir, like prostho. So prostho for complete dentures, I used to refer to vouchers. Then for FPDs, mostly I used to refer to Schellenberg. Then RPD, I didn't go to any specific authors because most of them are for postgraduate level only. And sir, for ortho, I used to refer to Kharbanda sir's book. Then for endo, Grossman.
Okay.
Burkitt's
So these
for
are
medicine,
yeah.
yeah.
So these are few of the
Yeah.
important books you could refer to. But remember, ये बहुत extensive books हैं. It is not easy to do them. यहाँ पे maths में your teaching is also very good. I guess that is how it helps
Yes.
so that you can refer to this book. Voucher पढ़ के अपना फाइनल ईयर का एग्जाम पास करना बड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है. It is very good for concept building,
Yes.
but for passing the exam, it is a very difficult book. So I guess your teachers are also fantastic in maths,
Yes,
which
sir,
help you understand these books. So some good words for your teachers in maths.
So obviously, sir, the quality of teachers that we have at MAIDS is, I believe, one of the best in the country. Starting from our the head of the departments to the professors and all the senior residents as well. So together they provide a very helpful, very knowledgeable environment for us to learn, not only theoretically but clinically as well.
When I was doing my BDS final year, हमें तो मैक्रैकन्स घोट घोट के रटवाई जाती थी in final year. So and Bouchers and Winkler तो हमारी standard होती थी. This is how we have been trained. I think Sabhya is also on the same lines. Remember, studying from standard books is always very good when you're preparing for concept-based entrance exams. When I talk about concept-based, obviously Sabhya, this time not many repeat questions were there in
Yes.
line with the past few papers of INI.
Yes.
Not many repeats. So how did the concept building did help you in the exam?
So, sir, this time, like majority of the questions in INICET were clinical oriented. So most of them were clinical based. Repeats, I would say, were around 8 to 10 repeat questions. Apart from that, all of them, sir, were clinical based questions. So
Yeah. So being into the clinics and studying from these kind of books is always very helpful when you're preparing. Any more tips you would want to give for any first attempter? I mean, many people will be listening to you who are going to be first attempters. Many would be listening to you who could not do very well in their past attempts and would be looking for the next attempt.
Yes.
Any specific tips you would want to give apart from what we have talked about?
Sir, most of all, I feel that internship in most of the colleges of the country is hectic. It can vary from like lot of load to some less amount of load depending upon the college, but it is important to study every day. It
Coming to
depends.
this, I just ask you, in maid's internship is very hectic.
Yes.
बहुत कम time मिलता है.
Yes.
You have to find postings जहाँ में थोड़ा easy हो वहाँ पढ़ सकते हो. But by and large, what were your, I mean, average studying hours per day?
Sir, initially I started with around 2 hours per day, 2 to 3 hours per day, and in the last 2 months leading to INICET, I was consistently doing around 6 to 7 hours per day.
So in this much time, if you can find this much time, I think you can make it into the exam with the kind of rank Sabhya has had. Right now, the seat matrix is such that we are slightly on the crossroads. We are hoping for the best. Our fingers are crossed, and let's see how the matrix plays out, how the people select the seats. and we'll be hoping the best for Sabhay. Let's hope he gets one of the best seats around. And yeah, congratulations, Sabhay.
Thank you, sir.
Fingers crossed. All the best. Let's see what comes out. Thank you
sir.
for coming to the academy. One more thing, a few good words about ACE Achievers.
So, I have been a part of ACE Achievers since the beginning of my internship, and one thing that it's very difficult to describe one thing, but most of all, sir, the personal touch that you and ma'am provide us is, I feel, the best thing that a student can have. So anytime I would have a doubt or anytime I needed some guidance, I would contact ma'am, and so.
In fact, so many times we were after Sabhay like, what are you doing? Why are you not studying? So, I think 1 week before the exam, you had a bad bout of viral.
Yes, sir.
How did that impact your preparation?
So I feel I lost about maybe 3 or 4 days completely because of that viral that I was down with. But I feel that if you are preparing over the
Overall,
long
if you are
run,
preparing, so yes,
sir.
you can cover it up.
Yes,
But
sir.
definitely, 1 week just before the exam is definitely a setback. I am sure Sabhay would have got a top 10 rank had that viral not come in between. So thank you, Sabhay, for coming to the academy. Thank you for making us proud and all of your family members and your teachers proud. And wish you all the best for the seat matrix once it plays out.
Thank you.